Phase 6. The Skeptic's Dawn. The future is sovereign. Doubt is the only currency.
Transparent relationships mean a transparent world. True economic intelligence is shared intelligence.
Educating the future generation of thinkers.
Growing together in mind and machine symbiosis.
The new rulebook for a resilient mind.
Expansion without the ghost. Integrity stars. The final goal for a fair global conversation. Equality achieved. Biophilic finance. An economy that serves life. Universal prosperity is within reach. Seeing clearly. No more masterminds.
Technology with a pulse. Intelligence with a soul.
Humanity first. Collective wisdom. United community.
Shared success lifts all boats.
Protecting the vulnerable with the power of logic.
Market peace. The end of persuasion warfare.
Deep security. Integrity at the atomic level.
No more invisible hand stealing your choices. The ghost is gone. The new dawn of intelligence. Bright and pure.
Join the movement. Find your alpha. Doubt everything. Stay sharp. Stay Sentinel. The motto for a new age of prosperity. The world of TradingMaster AI. TradingMaster AI. Unmask the ghost.